It's easy for life to become busy. We sign up for sports, clubs, and jobs. There's homework, projects, and studying. There are so many activities that it feels like there isn't enough time for what matters the most. Thankfully, there are companies helping us put the focus back where it should be, on the people in our lives and spending more time with them. At Mrs. T's Pierogies in Shenandoah, they are making delicious food with quality ingredients that is quick and easy to prepare and serve to our family and friends. Let's dig in and find out how it gets done.
We make pierogies. Our mission is to make people smile when they hear Mrs. T's.
Mrs. T's Pierogies is the perfect pairing of pasta and potatoes. We take quality ingredients, mix them together, filling in dough, and make frozen pierogies to sell across the nation.
Team is important in anything we do. It's all working as a piece of a puzzle. If one of those pieces isn't fitting, nothing works out.
You need a team of different educations, different backgrounds, different knowledge to bring good ideas to the table.
Working as a team, it makes the job easier. It just means having everybody's back, never leaving people alone.
We have all the trades, electricians, plumbers, we use engineers.
My job requires a 4-year degree, a bachelor's in food science or related field experience.
I shadowed my predecessor for a year before moving into the role.
I have a high school diploma, so if there's any more required, I don't have it.
I think manufacturing is important to the world. Things have to be made for us to be able to have and to use. We have our special recipes that started with my grandmother's recipes. Mary Twardzik is the Mrs. T in Mrs. T's.
I like coming in every day and seeing the people because we are like family.
People. I love people. And I love pierogies, so it's a no-brainer.
That's the most important thing, I think, for anybody. Your children, your parents, and that's what it feels like here. Like they're an extended part of your family.
Family's critical. It's just the people you love, the people that make a home, just make you feel like you're needed, you're wanted, you're something special to somebody, and we are a good family here at Mrs. T's.